Hi friends, welcome back to our series of videos on sensors and transducers. Today we shall discuss about the photoconductive cell. A photoconductive cell is a two-terminal semiconductor device whose terminal resistance will vary linearly with the intensity of the incident light. For this reason, it is frequently called a photoresistive device. It is also called as a light-dependent resistor. All the three are same. The photoconductive materials most commonly used include cadmium sulfide and cadmium selenide. Both materials respond rather slowly to changes in light intensity. The peak spectral response time of cadmium sulfide units is about 100 milliseconds and 10 milliseconds for cadmium selenide cells. The spectral response of a cadmium sulfide cell is closely matches that of the human eye, and the cell is therefore often used in applications where human vision is a factor, such as street light control or automatic iris control for cameras. The essential elements of a photoconductive cell are the ceramic substrate, a layer of photoconductive material, metallic electrodes to connect the device into a circuit, and a moisture-resistant enclosure. Light-sensitive material is arranged in the form of a long strip zigzagged across a disc-shaped base with protective sides. For added protection, a glass or plastic cover is included. The two ends of the strip are brought out to connecting pins below the base. The major drawback of the photoconductive cells is the temperature variations, which cause substantial variations for a particular light intensity. The illumination characteristics of a typical photoconductive cell are shown, from which it is obvious that when the cell is not illuminated, its resistance may be more than 100 kilo ohms. This resistance is called dark resistance. When the cell is illuminated, the resistance may fall to a few hundred ohms. Note that the scales on the illumination characteristic are logarithmic to cover a wide range of resistance and illumination that are possible. Cell sensitivity may be expressed in terms of the cell current for a given voltage and given level of illumination. The photovoltaic cell is used for relay control, as shown in the figure. When the cell is illuminated, its resistance is low and the relay current is at its maximum. When the cell is dark, its high resistance reduces the current down to a level too low to energize the relay. Resistance R is included to limit the relay current to the desired level when the resistance of the cell is low. Photoconductive cells are used to switch transistors on and off as illustrated in the figure. When the cell shown is figure is dark, the transistor base is biased above its emitter level and the device is turned on. When the cell is illuminated, the lower resistance of the cell in series with R biases the transistor base voltage below its emitter level. Thus, the device is turned off. See the applications of the photoconductive cell. The photoconductive cells are used in light-sensitive alarms, fast recording situations, automatic street lights, lightning control. The photoconductive cells can also be used in detecting the location of aircraft and ships with the help of radiations coming out from their exhaust. They are also used to whether switch on or switch off the transistors in electronic circuits. Finally, the photoconductive cells are used in LED current level also. So that's all in photoconductive cells for the time being. Thank you very much.